Are you tired of missing your favorite reality drama because your cable package is too expensive? I know how frustrating it is to see spoilers online while you're stuck with basic channels. Today, I'm showing you the top 10 IPTV channels that will keep you glued to your screen. We have researched the most stable and content-rich networks available on major IPTV services. Let's dive into the list. Number 1 is Bravo. This is the ultimate destination for high-stakes social drama. It is the exclusive home of the Real Housewives franchise and Below Deck. Bravo is a must-have for anyone who loves glitz, glamour, and intense confrontations. Most IPTV providers offer this in crystal clear HD. Second on our list is TLC. This channel specializes in unique life stories and family dynamics. It is famous for 90 Day Fiancé and Sister Wives. TLC provides endless hours of addictive content. It is widely available on services like Philo and Sling TV via IPTV. Number 3 is MTV. While it started with music, it is now a powerhouse for youth culture and competition shows. Think The Challenge and Catfish. MTV is perfect for viewers who want fast-paced editing and competitive drama. It is a staple in most IPTV entertainment packages. Next up is E! Entertainment. This is your front row seat to celebrity lifestyles and pop culture news. It is the longtime home of the Kardashians. E! Is great for keeping up with the latest trends. Most premium IPTV services include E! In their standard lineup. Number 5 is A&E. This network offers a gritty look at real-life professions and unique subcultures. It features hits like Storage Wars and Hoarders. A&E is known for its high production quality. It is a very stable channel on most verified IPTV services. At number 6, we have HGTV. This is the go-to channel for home renovation and real estate enthusiasts. Shows like House Hunters are legendary. HGTV is incredibly relaxing and visually satisfying. You can find it on IPTV providers like YouTube TV and Fubo. Number 7 is VH1. It offers a mix of music-driven reality and urban lifestyle shows. Love and Hip Hop is its flagship franchise. VH1 is known for its high energy and viral moments. It is available on almost all entertainment-focused IPTV plans. Coming in at number 8 is Lifetime. This channel is famous for its dramatic movies and intense reality series like Dance Moms and Married at First Sight. Lifetime provides great emotional storytelling. Most IPTV services offer a dedicated Lifetime feed. Number 9 is the Food Network. For fans of culinary competitions, this is a must-have. It features chopped-in diners, drive-ins, and dives. The Food Network is high-quality entertainment for everyone. It is a standard channel on most IPTV platforms. Finally, at number 10, we have the Discovery Channel. It focuses on adventure and survival. Deadliest Catch and Naked and Afraid are fan favorites. Discovery offers breathtaking visuals and high-stakes adventure. It is widely available across IPTV providers. Are you facing any difficulty setting these up? Please leave a comment below. I personally reply to all questions within 1 hour. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more tech solutions. You now have the best list to enjoy your reality TV. Stay connected and stay informed.